Good day. Today, I will show you how one consent link can be used for all family members. For this instance, we will be creating patient appointments. The first one will be for the first family, where we will send the consent link where patient number 2 and 3 can fill out. Let's go ahead and access the form for the first patient. The patient will then fill out the form as normal. After completing the set of forms that the first patient fills out, the patient will be informed that there are forms that needs filling out by a family member, just like shown in the screen. Take note that the name of the family member will only show here if the family member have a future appointment and there are forms that is pending for that family member. Let's go ahead and fill out the other forms. The process will still be the same. The family member is still required to verify their date of birth. I'm currently filling out all other forms for the family member. After filling out the forms for the family member, it should now save to the imaging folder on their respective profile. And that is it. That is how family members can share one link when filling out their forms. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Thank you.